Hey, Crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's Shopping Sunday, and we are headed to the Dollar Tree, and wow, I was so impressed with the finds this week, so let's dive right in. So when I first walked in, I spotted these plant misters. You guys, these are not plastic, these are glass, and they come in a couple of different colors. Really nice deal for $1.25. Also, another great find, more of the cozy place items. You guys, last week I featured the candles and the waxes. This week they have oil warmers. So they have this one in the tranquil waters and sea salt. At another store, I saw this one. This one is coconut and tropical palm. This is not a one pack. This is a 2-pack. So you get two for $1.25. At another store, I found this one. This one is vanilla bliss and orchid. Now these last up to 100 hours each. Now you can't go without the warmer. They have the warmer as well. All of these pieces are $1.25. Now, these are normally carried by Dollar General and Pop Shelf, and when I checked online, Dollar General is selling these for $3.75, so Dollar Tree wins at $1.25 for these. Another great item I spotted, chargers. They have a light colored wood grain charger that is gorgeous, and you can use this all year round. So happy to see these new chargers. Now these came out with a new dish collection. It is seashells. So with shore living disappearing, I'm so glad to see that they are keeping sea themed items in the store. So these are the seashell dish collection. You can see they have a slightly scalloped edge around it. That is the dinner plate. Now here is the scalloped salad plate. So gorgeous, has the seashells all over that as well. Really pretty. And these are all ceramic. These are not plastic or melamine. These are ceramic. Now to go with the collection, they also included that classic white ceramic bowl. This one has the seashells all over the outside of the bowl. Really great quality item for $1.25. Now the last piece is that mug. They always have to include a mug in the collection. You can notice that it does have the seashell print on all over the outside, and this is the classic style of the mug that Dollar Tree often carries. Now if you want linens, they had you covered. They have all the linens, including this oven mitt. Now they do have the seashells on one side and they have solid on the back, and they do have writing on the oven mitt if you wanted. Now you can also get the dish towels. These dish towels are like that microfiber polyester material. They have one with all of the printed seashells on there, and they also have one with some writing on there if you wanted ocean breeze on there. And you know, I prefer not to have writing on mine, but they're there in case you want to have them on your pieces. They have the 2-pack of pot holders as well. These have a solid print on the front and the blue on the back, and you can get those in just the shells, or you can get the writing to coordinate with all of your pieces. You guys, these are great not only for kitchen but for crafts. You can make tote bags. The pot holders, if you fold those in half and sew them together, they make a nice sleeve for sunglasses. So many different ideas for these items. Now, another item in the kitchen section that was new were these mugs. Now, at first sight, these look like very high-end items. This mug says reflect on it, but what I did notice along with the writing and the inscriptions on there is that these are a name brand. These are Nicole Miller New York mugs. This is part of their matte collection. Now, I know they have other words, but the only one I saw at my store was reflect. And of course, they have their classic mugs. Now, I do love these. I haven't seen them in black in a long time, so I wanted to let you know they do have the two-tone in black and blue. I love that these are tall. So these stay in my craft room for a lot of my markers, pens, and paintbrushes because they are taller mugs. And of course, you can enjoy your coffee and tea out of these as well. Check out these little trinket boxes that I spotted. These are a brand new arrival. They have them with a little bow on top. They come in white. You can get them in pink or a lavender purple color. And on to the craft section. They just reorganized mine here, so I had to check to see what they had. These round wood circles are probably one of my favorite things to craft with because they are so thick. And if you watch my channel, you'll notice I just launched a video of my favorite item to make with this, and that was this little terrarium with using that wood circle as a base. You guys, any of the DIYs that I show you in my videos, the tutorial is always linked below in the description box if you want to give them a try. Another returning item that's a favorite are these little houses. They have a chalkboard or kind of a dry erase board interior layer. Well, I have layered that with wood craft sticks and used them on each end of this little house-shaped basket. So quick and easy to make. Now, this was a new arrival. Never seen this before at my Dollar Trees. They have these wood peg dolls. So they have this with a too small and too tall for a family. You can get all the same size. This is kind of like the medium size in a 5-pack, or you can get the 4-pack of the larger ones. Now, these do say dolls, but I see tray feet and other items you can use for crafting. So make sure you look for those. And if you haven't heard yet, all of the galvanized metal is for $4 in the craft section. Now, last week I featured all the vinyl and the faux leather being for $4. They are now a quarter now at Dollar Tree now for the metal. So if you want to get these things, get them now because I'm sure that they're phasing this out at the Dollar Tree. You can get the metal on the stands, the hanging metal, the words, the letters, the numbers, anything metal in the craft section is now just 25 cents. So you want to make sure you grab them while they last. Over in the health and beauty, I found new zipper pouches. So these are really pretty. They have this pink one that says face on there. They have kind of a peachy, orangey color with glam. Here's one in like an orange sherbet, really cute. That one says hair. And then they have this one, I love this blue green color that says skin. They all have this gold metal zipper on top, perfect for anything in your health and beauty organization. And speaking of beauty, they have these fingernail polishes that just arrived at my store. Now, these are made by the Onyx brand. They're the 3-in-1 polish sets. First of all, the colors are really pretty, but they do come with a polish. They come with this embellishments like glitter, and some of these are also scented. I never knew that they were scented until I actually read on there that they were scented. But they did have several of these at my store. Brand new arrival. Really excited to see these for $1.25. Now, if you're looking elsewhere for these, I did show online that they're selling them at Dollar General for $1.85. So make sure you get them at the Dollar Tree instead. If you love the body washes, I featured the pineapple last week, but look what arrived this week. Coconut vanilla body wash in the personal care. They also have the sweet peach and nectar version. Great for summer. These are limited edition. And then this last one was sea salt and cedar. I had never seen any of these at my Dollar Tree before, but you can get all of them now at the store. And look what's back, you guys, the Headquarters Soft Shine Shampoo. I have used this. It makes my hair feel squeaky clean. I really love the smell. And these were just arriving back to my Dollar Tree. And I did check online for that as well. They're selling at Walmart for $5.99, so make sure you get them at the Dollar Tree. Spascriptions has come out with a new item as well. This one is the Detoxifying Black Peel Off Masks. I love finding the Spascriptions brand at Dollar Tree and all of their facial products. Now, I went to the Spascriptions website. They're actually selling it there for $9.99 on their own website. So pick it up at Dollar Tree for $1.25. And check it out, you guys. Hello Bello products are showing up. This is the mosquito repellent. Yes, it is that time of year again where we need this product. So definitely check this out. This is a name brand. Now at Walgreens, they're selling it for $9.99. So load up at the Dollar Tree to fight all those mosquitoes throughout the summer season. The Scotch brand floor gliders. These are great for chairs and small tables. You get a 4-pack here, and I love finding these. These are name brand, and I love using these for chairs and small tables. Now, I did find these at Lowe's, $4.98 for the same exact thing at Lowe's. So yes, Dollar Tree wins the battle here. Now, if you're still on the hunt for Father's Day things, they have these Father's Day mugs. Remember Mother's Day, they had these really high-end looking designs. Now they have them for Father's Day as well. And they have this blue one. They also have this one that says Best Dad Ever. Really, really cute. I love the design of these and the high-end look of these. So make sure you check that out at the Dollar Tree. If you're looking for more of the basic mugs, they have a new rival for those as well. Dad, the man, the myth, the legend. They have the Best Dad Ever, and they also have Dad Fuel. So these are great to put gift cards in and all kinds of things for Dad for Father's Day that he will definitely appreciate. Now, this was something I was hunting for a long time. This is the expandable broom handle. You can use all the attachments at the Dollar Tree for this, and it expands and adjusts for different lengths. Now, I did expand it. It expands full length and locks into place, and you can do for different lengths depending on what you want to use it for. I think these would be great for curtain rods, and for $1.25, that's a great deal. Now, another name brand item is this Shock Doctor women's mouthpiece. This is another item that's name brand at the Dollar Tree. You guys, I hope that my turning these sideways for my visually disabled individuals who want to watch these things, I hope this really helps you guys. And I know I get comments all the time with that. So I hope that helps. And I've gotten some positive feedback about it. So in the food section, I found Prime Lemonade. You guys, I had not seen the lemonade version, but I wanted to let you know they have that there. And then for snacks, they've got these Luna bars. So they have the Luna nuts over chocolate bar. I have never seen these Luna products at the Dollar Tree. I have never seen them before. And then they have this one. This one is the coconut dipped chocolate. This is another fun one that you can have on the go if you're looking for an on the go snack. Now they do have some Kellogg's bars. I have seen these before, but they just restocked them. The Kellogg's protein bars are chocolate peanut butter. This is something you can grab and go. Very convenient. Toss in your handbag, your duffel bag, your gym bag, and it's something that you could just take on the go and snack on. So I hope that these items will help. Now, I featured the chocolate peanut butter last week, but look what they have this week in the Premier Protein. Pumpkin spice. This is a very good deal for $1.25 at Walmart. They're selling it for $27 for a 15 count case. Comes out to $1.80 a piece. So you could get these for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. Now, I featured the s'mores version of these snacks, but this week I found the oats and peanut butter granola bites from the Because brand. Now this one comes with 3 bags of snacks for $1.25. I went to the Because website. You could get a 4 count bag for $15 or $16. Get it at Dollar Tree. I guarantee it's a better deal. Now, if you love the Brims products for snacking, caramel corn pops have arrived. I have never seen this before at the Dollar Tree. So there you go. You can have some caramel corn puffs as well. Big bag for $1.25. Great for movie night and snacking. So now I'm going to head over to the plus section. There's just a few things I wanted to highlight here, and that is these large stuffed pillows with the fringe. So this one has like a grayish blend here. I love the woven blend, and it has fringe around the edge in gray and white. Very, very nice, good size. They also have the mustard colored one. This one has the fringe as well in the white and the mustard. These are just $5 a piece. I love these overstuffed pillows. Such a great deal for just $5. And it's summertime, so you know all of the inflatables and inflatable games are now hitting the shelf. I don't know about you, but here in South Carolina, we have hit the 90s this week, and I was not ready for it. But I know the shoppers at Dollar Tree were. They had pool noodles, they had floaties, they had goggles, they had all the things to enjoy the outdoor pool and beach weather here in their carts. So all these items here that I'm showing are just $5, a variety of different floaties, outdoor equipment, such fun items for just $5. Now, if you can't find out some of these things at the Dollar Tree or you don't have a plus section, be sure to check your local Family Dollar. They may have some of the similar things there as well. So you could use like the sprinkler donut, the shark floaty, all kinds of different things that you could take and enjoy the pool or anything like that. So I hope you guys enjoy that summer weather. Now, if you missed my shopping video last week featuring even more fun finds at the Dollar Tree, check it out now by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. Now, I do hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me on this shopping trip today, and if you want to see the items I've created with my Dollar Tree supplies, you can check out my Dollar Tree Crafts playlist with hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now, before I go, I just wanted to say thank you for sticking around to the end. Now, in my last video, there was so much interest in the neoprene tanks and vests at the Dollar Tree, so I decided to do another giveaway. Now, I will be selecting 2 winners for this giveaway, and you will have a choice of a tank or a vest style in the size large. Now, it's really easy to enter this giveaway. First, leave a comment below answering this question. What were your top 3 favorite items from this video? Now, this contest closes on Tuesday, June 10th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so be sure to comment before this time. Now, most importantly, make sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on so you won't miss the notification if your comment is selected as the winner. Now, be sure to check back on Wednesday, June 11th to see if you are selected by checking my top pinned comment in the comment section, and I will also respond directly to your comment if you are the winner. Now, to confirm you understand this, leave a sun emoji or the word sunshine in the comment along with your answer to today's question to be entered into the drawing. Now, it's important to know that this contest is not sponsored by YouTube, and we are solely responsible for conducting the contest and delivering the prize to the winner. So please be sure to read the full list of rules in the description box below to make sure you meet all of the requirements for a valid entry. I wish each and every one of you good luck in the contest today. Happy summer! Now listen, if you love shopping at Dollar Tree as much as I do, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment letting me know your most exciting find this week. Make sure you don't miss a video by subscribing and hit that bell to be notified when we go live. It's absolutely free. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.